out of disposable plate, disposable spoon and fork, straw, and cardboard. Recycle today for a brighter tomorrow. And I thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gabriel F. Abelho. I am 10 years old. I am from Nathan Integrity.
Let's start. One. Ikaw ba candidate number one?
Yes.
Abi na kung mas ikaw ba yung mga kontra.
Now for the question and answer portion.
Okay, let's start. Okay, please. Binis. English. Okay, so let's start with English. Kung makaya answer sa English, English. Pero kung hindi kaya, pwede na mag-translate si Teacher Jerilyn.
Gamitin ang ating sariling wika.
Okay. Okay, for your question, candidate number one, why is it important to recycle materials? Again, why is it important to recycle materials? Sa Bisaya, nga nung importante man ang pag-recycle sa mga materyales.
So it can make our environment clean and healthy, and it can save trees, animals, and water.
Okay, there you have it! Our candidate number one. Okay, so...
Pali-pali lang. Nag-MC pa na lang. Are you ready? Okay, for your question, candidate number 25. How does your outfit show care for the environment? Once again, how does your outfit show care for the environment? Giun sa pagpakita sa imong salina ang pagpamuma sa atong kalikupan.
Dapat tik ba?
My outfit shows care for the environment because it uses sustainable materials and promotes using instead of wasting. That's all. Thank you.
Judges, it's up to you.
Okay, let's move on to candidate number 7. Candidate number 3, isa naging mo sa iyong outfit.
Ako sumagot.
Wow, congratulations mama and sister para kay iyong outfit, no? Pinaghirapan. Okay, candidate number 7, this is your question. It is the same with number 1, okay? Why is it important to recycle materials? Nga nung importante man na mag-recycle tao mga materials.
Recycle conserves resources and reduce waste.
Okay, there you have it, candidate number 7.
Thank you, candidate number 7. Okay, you are candidate number... Candidate number 26. Okay lang, pero happy ka. So here is my question for you. If everyone in our school recycle, what good things happen to our community? Once again, if everyone in our school recycle, what good things happen to our community? Atong pinisayon. Kung ang tanan sa atong eskwelahan mag-recycle, unsa nga maayong butang ang mahitabo sa atong komunidad? Kung ang tanan sa atong eskwelahan mag-recycle, unsa nga maayong butang ang mahitabo sa atong komunidad?
And our school has recycled.
Pwede magbisaya. Kaya mo yan. Pwede magbisaya.
Kung mag-recycle ang atong eskwelahan, maprotektahan ang tanan palibot.
Okay, kung mag-recycle daw ang tanan, maprotektahan ang atong palibot. Thank you very much. Candidate number 26, and now.
And now, let's move on to candidate number 28. Okay, candidate number 28. Unsa yun din na sa imuhang lingkod?
Grabe man yung kayo.
Unsa din kay wala gibig si Sir Glenn kagalingan mo sa naa?
Dragon.
Dragon ni sa Sir Glenn, dili daw na siya crocodile.
Ito buhaya. Grabe na siya. For the context of everybody.
Okay, so you have a very unique costume. Okay, so this is your question. Relax. Okay. What can a pupil like you do to help protect nature? Sa Bisaya pa, unsa man ang imong mahimo isip usa ka estudyante or tinun-an aron sa pagtabang pagpanalipod sa kinaiyahan.
Thank you for the question, teacher. I can recycle, reuse all materials, inspire others to care for nature throughout my dragon outfit. And I thank you!
Thanks so much. Number 7. Okay, so number 7. Itama ka kapag imuha na yung costume karon. Yes, sir.
Seryoso ka siya.
Magandang pa sa yes or no. Okay, so we have your question is, why did you choose the materials used in your outfit? And how do they help the environment? Alam, buhat-buhat, mga question. So na to ha. Why did you choose the materials used in your outfit? And how do they help the environment? Bisayon pa din na.
My outfit is a waste in our community, and it helps our community clean in our environment.
Yay! There you have it, candidate number 7.
Candidate number 7. And now, to inspire the room. Like you do to help protect our nature. Kung ako ha? What can a pupil like you do to help protect our nature? Sa'yo na to. Unsa man ang mahimo sa usa ka tinunan nga sama kanimo aron sa pagtabang sa pagpanalipod sa kinaiyahan. Unsa man ang mahimo sa usa ka tinunan nga sama kanimo aron sa pagtabang sa pagpanalipod sa kinaiyahan. In English na lang ako balik. What can a pupil like you do to help to protect our nature?
Wala
Okay, para mawala mga hugaw, straight to the point, diretso ra dun, manikuan. Thank you very much. Candidate number 16, para mawala mga hugaw.
Kung ba sa full break? Gamay lang. Gamay lang. Okay, Paul Drake. Muli yung question, Paul Drake, ha? If everyone in our school recycled, what good happen to our community? If everyone in our school recycled, what good things happen to our community? Recycle ba, di ba?
Kaya na niya, kaya.
Mga pila na ka-hours? Lakad na doon ako na una.
Clean our earth.
Okay, to clean our earth. So, dili lang yun sa school, no? Our earth yun. Okay.
How does your outfit show care for the environment? How does your outfit show care for the environment? Gusto kami sa inyo po? Hindi na, okay.
My outfit show care for the environment because my outfit are made out of plastics.
Okay, thank you for a straight to the point. Natubang. There you have it, candidate number 3. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Go! We are going to announce our winners. We will start with the fourth runner-up for the girls.
Fourth runner-up girls.
We have, with a total score of 95.3%, fourth runner-up is, for the girls, number 26. Congratulations, number 26. So girls, 26.
And now, for the boys, fourth runner-up. Boys, fourth runner-up. With a 93.3% score, it's no other than candidate number 6.
Congratulations, candidate number 6.
Boys, candidate number 6. Congratulations.
Okay, let's move on to the girls. Our third runner-up. We have the average of 95.7%. Third runner-up is, for the girls, number 1. Congratulations, number 1.
And now for the boys,
2025 with an average of 98.3%. We have candidate number 28. And our first runner-up with an average of 97.7% is candidate number 7. Congratulations!
Congratulations, candidate number 28, for being the Santa Ana Elementary School, Miss Sarita.
She will be the one to compete for that district level. Okay. And we also announce our first runner-up, candidate number 7. Congratulations!
Okay, the voice will be different. Layon daw ang voice.
Ngayon na boy, sige, sige, sige.
Okay. I am going to announce the first runner-up. Once again, I am going to announce the first runner-up. So if dili ka ma-mention, congratulations, you are the Mr. Fashionista 2025. Okay. For the first runner-up, boys, first runner-up with a point of 94.7 goes to candidate